All right, so what I'm doing here is getting the links that I'm going to use to add to my shop. I'm going to be creating a collage. So what I do is go to Walmart site, get the link, and paste it here. And then what I'm going to do is just get some other luggages that I'm going to add to the set. So what I'm doing is just creating a collage of different luggages. So you can do this with any brand that's on Mavely. Go to the brand's website, choose the items, copy the link from the website like I'm doing here. Go over to Mavely, create the link. And what that link is going to do, you see it's going to show up in your link history. You can also save these pictures from the brand site. So that way, if you want to make like a collage in Canva or like a style board in Canva of the luggages, you can do that as well. So that way it shows all the luggage on one page. Or if you want to just save the pictures and upload them on like social media, you can do that as well. For long-term traffic, I recommend saving the pictures, creating like a style board or a collage in Canva, and uploading it to social as well as Pinterest, adding your link. If you're adding it on Pinterest, you want to make sure that you have a title and a description that's SEO. So basically it's searchable. People can search for travel essentials, luggage, things like that, and your posts have a chance of being pulled up. So as you can see here, I'm still just on Walmart site, saving the different luggages that I'm going to create with my collage. All right, so once I have them all saved, I'm going to go to my shop and I'm going to click to add these links here and create the collage. So I'm going to select those links. So you see here, I'm just clicking those links. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to click apply, and then they're going to show up here. You can add a caption if you like, so you can do the post title and a post description. Also with the image, so I'm going to be creating the collage here. So you see here, it's a collage builder. But if you wanted to also upload your own picture, you can do that as well. So like if you were to create a style board or a collage with these luggages, you could also upload your own picture. But I'm just going to do the collage. So then you see here it's saving. It's taking a few minutes for it to save. But this is an easy, quick way to make collages of things you like, whether there's travel essentials, beauty finds, things that's on sale. You can just save the links, create a collage real quick, add it to your Mavely MyShop, and then you can share that link from your Mavely MyShop. And then it's going to look like this. So then when you click on it, you can share this collage with your audience.